heard, heard. In this lesson, I will go through the difference between these two commonly confused words. Both words sound the same, however, they have different spellings and different meanings. Heard. Heard is the past form and past participle of the verb to hear, which means to listen to or to receive information with your ears. For example, have you heard the new song? They heard the announcement. Heard. Heard can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, it refers to a large group of animals that are together. These are usually the same type of animals. For example, there were a herd of sheep on the farm. As a verb, it means to move a group of animals together. For example, he was herding the sheep.